much time has passed since we've seen each other last. Here's a collection of clips I've accumulated since the winter. A lot has changed. I'll update you on the next one. It has been busy, so here's what I've been doing in the meantime. Well, as you saw in the last video, we were working on this, and we have acquired some new things in the mail now that the mail is not on strike anymore. Lots of bushings, control arms, trailing arms. We also have caster bushings, which we will showcase here in a little bit, for the front lower control arm. And pretty much the whole car has white line on it now, so let's get these put in. These control arm ones here are pretty nice because it's just two halves that go in each side with a little bit of grease, and the bushing for the bolt, nice and easy. No tools required, really. No fuss, no fight, easy. All new everything. These ones, slightly different. They will fight you and try to slip out, and you just have to use lube and, well, do ungentlemanly things, but it eventually all goes. Nice try, Diddy. Yes. That's always a slight struggle, but shit ain't going anywhere now. Okay, yeah, no, that's perfect. Pick me up the shiny zinc ones.
No, that's why I'm gonna keep looking.
One bolt at a time.
Yeah.
One bolt at a time. Nice.
Those are not cheap right now.
Ooh. They're strategically placed all over the room. Oh, God.
Best of luck to you. Looks good. I like it.
Yeah.
It is more dusty than I remember at the end. I'm not talking about Chuck either.
Yeah, it is dusty. It was mega dusty. This is like not dusty.
I'll be home soon. Ish. I'll put a sticker on it. Okay, so I hate BMWs and I hate Honda Civics now. Welcome. Yeah, tow truck is here, and that's how far from home I broke down. But the tow truck made it. When I tell you we were so close, I mean we were so close. That's why we don't buy Honda Civics, I guess. Oh, piece of garlic. Yeah. I'm so ready. My Uber is crazy person.
hard to keep up with them.
Oh yeah.
I mean, I could, but I just don't want to drive like that.
Like that.
Baby, do you feel safe? Like, okay?
What if I shake her for a couple minutes?
I don't know if that.
Mine's almost dead. You'll be 7.
You good, bro?
Oh my god. Yo, look at his tire. Look at his tire.
Yeah, it's on the ground over there.
His tire's Dude, his tire's all shredded up. It looks fun.